32 unique Children's Day gift ideas for children's. You will surely get some good ideas in this video. Cartoon mug, watercolor, foam clay, pencil pouch, miniature mechanical models, pen stand, coloring book, capsule-shaped pen, cartoon printed bag, cute wood photo frame, jumping toy, frisbee, invisible pen, LCD tablet pad, magic water book, kaleidoscope, LED watch, Pop-It keychain, projector torch, mouth organ, scratch note, slap bracelet, smiley ball, stack pencil, emoji stamp, water painting book, stationery items, ruler with ball game, cartoon pouch, cube toy, ruler drafting tool, spring toy, if you want to buy these items, check the link in description. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.